guys, welcome back to Reese World. How are you doing? Hope you're keeping safe and healthy. And if you're in Cameroon, hope you're taking the necessary measures of keeping yourself safe from cholera, because there's a massive outbreak of cholera here, especially in the southwest region. The thing has been attacking so many people, so hope you're trying to maintain your or improve on your hygienic conditions in order to avoid this. That said, if this is your first time stopping by, you're highly welcome. And if you've been watching my videos, I just want to say thank you so much. I am grateful for your support, the effort, everything you guys do. I am truly grateful. If you haven't subscribed, please click that red subscribe icon below and subscribe to this channel. Like and comment on my video, and for any suggestion, leave it in the comment section and I will get back to you. And please don't forget to turn on your post notifications, so whenever I post a new video, you'll be notified and you will watch. So today's video, I'll be giving you guys a room tour. Remember I told you guys about my junior sister studying in the University of Buea. So I've been taking you guys all through the journey of looking for her admission, getting her a room and moving into that room. And I promised you guys that I was going to give you a room tour. And since then, I haven't had the opportunity to give you guys this room tour. So today, I'm fulfilling that promise. So I am going to give you guys a room tour, and you guys see and tell me this is how a standard student room looks like here in Buea. Yeah, I know there are students having luxurious rooms, there are students having, but a normal student that went to study. Yeah, I'm going to show you how the room looks like. So enjoy. And again, don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Thank you. Okay, so this is the bed. It's a room, kitchen, and toilet. Yeah, this is her bed. For now, the two of us are using it since I'm mostly with her. Yeah, so this is the bed that we use, and this is the room. It's actually a very big room, like big. When you talk of student size room, yeah, it's big. And this is the balcony. Mm-hmm. And yeah, this is the closet. It, the closet, and the boxes are up there. Um, this is a small hallway, corridor. I don't know. This is a small bath, and this is the bathroom. Guys, I don't know if this video is actually that clean, but yeah. This is the bathroom. It has a mirror. And now go to the kitchen. The kitchen is actually having more space. It's big, so she has a reading table here in the kitchen instead, because it has enough space. And that's her rice. So yeah, this is the reading table. Sit here and read. Of course, her laptop and her books. And I'm sure you guys saw the other books in the room. And she has so many books and bags, spices.
spices, and yeah, that, and water. This is drinking water, and the one in the blue bucket is for cooking. And yeah, this is a fridge. This place is really small. Yeah, but this is her fridge, and this is where she keeps her food stuff. Then the gas plate, the sink. hmm So this is it about the kitchen. This is it about the room, the kitchen. The kitchen really has space. If there's one place that I like in this room, is the if there's one place that I like in this mini house, is the kitchen. The kitchen has enough space. That's why you can see so many things here. There's really enough space here in the kitchen. And yeah, guys, that's it for the room tour. Okay, yeah, this is the view from the kitchen. That means when you leave the room, you come through this small path, you enter the kitchen or you go to the bathroom, as I showed you guys earlier. And yeah, she's on the second floor. So, guys, that's basically it. Hope you guys will not ask me again for a room tour because I've given you guys the best I can of the room tour.
If you were watching from the beginning and right up to now you're still watching, I want to appreciate you by saying thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to leave a comment, don't forget to subscribe. And this is the end of the video. Thanks again and again and again. Bye bye.